Children, now we are going to discuss aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen, respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration means in which no oxygen is there. Okay, so in this, what the same way it will take place, the process of respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. This result, it releases large amount of energy in the form of ATP. ATP is what? Adenosine triphosphate. Triphosphate. This energy we use to do different work in the form of chemical. This is chemical energy and we utilize it. Carbon dioxide comes out, water vapor. So in aerobic respiration, what three things comes out? Carbon dioxide, water vapor, energy along with some amount of heat. Okay, so this is aerobic respiration is the most efficient form of respiration. The reaction involved in this process is similar that we are, this aerobic respiration is similar to combustion. Now new word you are learning, that is what? Combustion. What is combustion? Burning is combustion. Burning. Burning is what? Combustion. Children, both are same. How? When combustion takes place, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Here food burns, here we burn anything like paper, wood, okay, anything. So both are same. First point, what is similar? In both the cases, large amount of energy is released. When we burn wood, what comes out? Carbon dioxide, water vapor also, or just you see gas in our home cooking gas. That gas when we burn, that burn only in the presence of oxygen and it gives out carbon dioxide, water and energy in which form? In the form of heat. That heat energy we use for cooking. Okay, so here energy is given out. What is the difference we are going to discuss now? I told you both are what similarity? Both gives out energy, but what are the differences between aerobic respiration and combustion? Aerobic respiration and combustion. Okay, first difference is here energy comes out gradually, धीरे धीरे आती है, ठीक है, and in this energy suddenly, energy comes out suddenly. Okay, second difference, energy is given out in the form of ATP that organism can use, but here energy comes out in the form of heat and light that we can see. Okay, third is energy is stored in the form of, this is chemical energy. It is stored, this ATP is stored that we can use in future. Energy is stored inside the body in the form of ATP, which can be used when we need it. Okay, when we need it, we can use it. Here, if we are using that time, it's fine. It is not stored, otherwise what happened? It is not stored as ATP. Okay, children. So combustion is also like aerobic respiration, but some differences are there. Now, children, I am going to discuss anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is what? When respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen. No oxygen is there. Can you imagine? Can you imagine then oxygen is not there and respiration is taking place? Yes. Absence of oxygen. Many microorganisms like yeast. You have learnt about yeast, and in home you can do that. Okay, you can see that they respire anaerobically. How this respiration takes place? Sugar. In water you add sugar and lukewarm water and you put some yeast, they grow like anything. And they utilizing the energy. How this energy is coming? Anaerobically. But in anaerobically, children, energy is less. Aerobically respiration, aerobic respiration में बहुत energy आती, but in anaerobic respiration में less amount. Okay, how sugar breaks in this? वहाँ पे तो ऑक्सीजन था, यहाँ पे नहीं है. ये किस में बदल जाएगा? इथेनॉल में. किस में बदल जाएगा? इथेनॉल, इथाइलिक एल्कोहल और इथेनॉल. Ethanol, carbon dioxide will come out. You can see the bubbles come out of that. That is carbon dioxide. And energy. Energy is not too much, lesser. Okay. Formula of ethanol, if we write C6H12O6, formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Carbon dioxide would be formed and energy. Okay, so this is anaerobic respiration. Energy comes out, that would be in less amount, less. So anaerobic respiration is clear, children. In humans also anaerobic respiration takes place when the like we run and we do work like heavy work, we are doing exercise, we are doing running. That time this anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscles. When muscles do not get proper amount of oxygen, so what muscle start doing? They respire anaerobically. भाई हम मसल से काम कर रहे हैं, वी माई मसल्स रिक्वायर एनर्जी, बट उनको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वो कैसे ब्रीथ करने लगेंगी? anaerobically. Okay, is this clear? And rest of the thing, any problem is there in the class, we will discuss. Okay, children.